Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Jill at Texas Gardening Gal. So just wanted to give you an update on some of the newer things that I have planted. So about a week and a half ago, I started this geranium here, as well as this other one I started a few days ago. And I will do a video on how I go ahead and started these new geraniums. It's super easy, and wow, why didn't I think of that before? And that's the same case with this rosemary and my original rosemary that I took the pieces from, these clippings from, is actually looking way better than it has all year. So let me actually go show you this one that I clipped this from. And I wish I would have did this sooner because look how much better this looks. If you've been following me, I do have this in another video and it does not look this full. This was actually, I took the clippings from them, so I'm probably gonna trim it again. And my geraniums, I did the same thing as I started them by clippings, and look at these buds. And it's a beautiful geranium. It's like a light pink with then kind of more reddish inside. Yeah, I would say more red, but they're beautiful. And this one I have to kind of trim too, but I'm very glad I did that. And then while I'm out here, look at this beautiful butterfly. Oh, come back. You'll land. He's very pretty. This bush here has just gotten, look at, I'm trying to focus, huge. I've got two of them, and the hummingbirds love them, the butterflies love them. They are gorgeous. Okay, anyways, so I started all these by seed as well. I started these out by just dampening a paper towel, placing them in a Ziploc bag. I waited maybe a week or so before I planted them in my paper towel holders that I cut up. The first two are watermelon, the second two are zucchini, and then the last two are cucumbers. Now, last year I had one cucumber bush, and the amount of cucumbers it produced was insane. It was so much. So I always kind of do two, kind of as a backup if the one doesn't work out. And then, not too long ago, I planted some basil within my olive tree pot. And if you can see here, they're kind of starting to peek through a little bit. And then I see one like right there, if you see it. So hopefully these will grow real nice in here. And then I have the grow bags that you see here that I really like how I set this up, and it's working out really well. So I grew all of my marigolds that I have from seed, and they've, for the most part, done really well. I ended up planting more snap peas, which the ones that I have over in my barrel, they never make it into the house. They're super good, so I thought I better plant more. And then I planted some herbs recently. I planted 4 dill, so that's all kind of behind. And then this one here and this one here is the cilantro. So everything is doing fairly well. Hopefully we'll be getting more sun than rain because we had a ton of rain last week. So right now we really need sunshine.